Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video of 1-2 Step. If you're also trying to log in to your Citibank online banking, then you're watching the right video because I'm going to show you the exact steps that you need to follow to log in to your account. You can also log into your Citibank using the mobile app if you're using a mobile device. For this video, we're going to use the website, so search for Citibank or citi.com on the search bar of your web browser. Once you search for citi.com, you can see this website. Now to log into your account, you'll need to first type in your user ID. So this is the user ID that you created while signing up for the online banking. In the next box, you'll also need to type in the password. If you don't remember your user ID or your password, you can easily recover it by clicking on Forgot User ID or Forgot Password and follow simple steps to recover both of your credentials. If you want this device to remember your user ID, the next time you log in, you can check this box. This way you do not need to type in your user ID each time and this user ID will be saved. But avoid doing this step if you're not using your personal device. Once you filled in both of these information, click on Sign On and you'll be successfully logged in to the online banking service of Citibank. So that was a quick and easy video. I hope you guys understood and found this video useful. If this video was helpful, then be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorials. That's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching.